Good afternoon, Hungry Hungry Fishos, mate. Who's you? We have Miss Adrian with us.
Shit,
Dudes, look at all our crap. We're pretty much ready to go. Where are we going, Age?
Look at. Oh, dude.
No, you can't do it. Good morning, Hungry Hungry Fishos. We are out here in beautiful Lake Tyers on this slightly drizzly but very calm day. We've got a special treat for you guys. We not only have the Hobie special, we also have the inflatable special. That's Bryan, and we're gonna go hunt for flatties this morning. We're just launching out and trying to catch the dawn, but I think we might have just slightly missed it. Anyway, we'll keep you guys updated. So stay tuned for some big dogs. Alright, we're gonna start recording because I got a good feeling about this one. So I got the double cams on. And I reckon this is the time I'm gonna catch a fish. So that's why I want to start to record. And I'm just gonna let the drift do all the work. Just slow and steady twitches. I gotta say, Lake Tyers is probably one of my favorite places to fish, because there's something so serene about just the way that the lake is set. You've got the kind of the freshwater lake feel, but the saltwater species, which gets me pretty excited because I'm primarily a saltwater fisherman. I do a bit of freshwater here and there, but I love getting out on the bay and going out fishing on the bay. So this is definitely, you know, kind of right up my turf. But you know, the camping experience is still there. The kind of the inland, the lake and the calm winds, that's all there as well. So, you know, in the end, I feel like Lake Tyers is for me like the best of both worlds. Oh, it's cold this morning though, I'll tell you that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, baby, I'm on. I think it's a brim.
What are you using?
Huh? The, oh, I think it's a flatty actually. I'm using a deep diver.
Nice.
I think it's a flatty actually. What is, yeah, it's a flatty. Oh my gosh, yes, first flatty of the morning, guys. Oh, mate, worked hard for you. Oh, he's big. Like 50?
50?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Worked so hard for you. Hey. Oh. First fish of the morning, guys, and it's a good one. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, this is our first catch of the morning, a nice 50 centimeter flatty. Pretty happy with that. We worked really hard this morning, basically worked all along the edge, right around the main lake, and then we cut up this arm because it was getting a bit windy, so we wanted a bit of shade and a bit of shelter from the wind. We were actually switching targets. We were going for brim, and then yeah, this guy came along and just kind of changed the game around. So we might keep fishing for a bit of flatty and yeah, and see how the action goes.
Guys, we are now here at Mill Point. We had a bit of a terrible session in the morning on the main lake. Duke got a 50 centimeter flathead, which is kind of cool. But now we're going to spend the sunset towards over here, which is Mill Point. I'm not sure where we'll fish. We're just going to fish the drop off, using some lures, and then towards at night, maybe set up a fire or something and have a barbecue. So yeah, really chill place. Hoping to get some brim or some flatties tonight. We'll see how we go.
Here we are having dinner. And got snags on the barbie. So after catching no fish.
And we're catching some shrimp, and Brian fell over and dropped all of our shrimp back in the water, so we're going to try to get some more for some fresh bait, but this is what it looks like here.
I think I mangled him a little bit though.
Huge prawns, man.
Look at the size. This is what they're eating. This is what the flathead and stuff are eating, man. And the bream. It's gonna get us a good fish. Alright, day 2. We're up nice and early. It's about sunrise just about now, and we're gonna head out and target some bream. The flathead have been awfully quiet lately, but we've been hearing some few folks giving us some sound advice on getting the bream, so we're gonna see if we can try that this morning. Got Bryan still on the tow there. We're just literally gonna drop him off and he's gonna land base it whilst we just tuck around and find a spot for the kayaks. So let's get to it. You, who's this sexy boy?
Yeah, sun's already coming up.
Yep. Oh my gosh, yep. I'm on, baby. I'm on. Oh yes, it is an EP. An early morning EP, guys. Oh yes. He pantsed me. He snagged my pants. Look at that, guys. Early morning EP. So pretty stoked with him. Yes, so that was on the bent minnow actually, so super happy with that. Basically it worked the surface just at the dawn, and just in the shallows we're actually at about just a little bit past 1 meter of water, and this nice little guy just popped up and just whomped it. So you. All right, so I'm just gonna work the. Yep, I'm on. Oh, nice. Whoa, that was sick. That was literally one cast, and I'm on. Duke, I'm on. Yep. It's not massive, but not bad. All right, Adrian's got a nice bream on, so we're just gonna make our way over to where he is and see how he went. So what I was doing was I was casting too much in the weeds, and then I went off it, and then now I've got this here. Don't know what it is though. Bream! Yeah, bream on lure, sick. I've not done this at Lake Tyers before, so I'm pretty happy. And he's not bad, about 30. Very nice on that kind of glow bug thing. Dude. Yes! I got him, bro. Yes! Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, mate. Look at that. Oh, what a beast. On the grub.
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I was fishing too close to the weed line, and I just thought, oh look, I need to get out of the weed line a bit more. And then I just went to the 2.5 meter mark.
Yeah.
Chucked on this grub instead, because I'm like, oh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get anything on the surface.
Yeah.
Probably a bit deeper. And then yeah, pumped out this little grub, this random kind of glow bug thing, and I was using it because the eyes have like these little glowy eyes, which look like the the shrimp that were caught yesterday. Yeah. So I thought, oh man, that's sick. So I might just use that. Yeah. Chucked him out and then bang, first cast.
Oh man, look at that.
That's sick, yeah.
What a beauty. Oh, Brian. Nice, Brian. You got him? Yep, I'm on. Whee! Oh. Oh, what? I'm on something tiny. What is this? Oh, mate. I got the world's smallest EP. Mate, I broke a PB, mate, on the EP. 10 centimeters. I have got a tiny EP. But you know what, guys? A fish is a fish is a fish. Look at this. Look at the crap on his tail. Don't worry, mate. I'll get him off ya. Gotcha. Mate, got the ugly pest off him. So off you go, buddy. Look at this. Oh, feisty little fellow. Mate, Hobie life. Look at us standing on our yaks.
Hello.
Bream fishing. You on beautiful Lake Tyers. Alright, will you work the top one, yeah? And then we'll meet in the middle.
What's the top one?
Like that black one up there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll start here. Nah. Oh, it's not too. Oh. What the heck? Oh! EP! EP, dude. It's an EP, mate.
It's alright, eh?
No, pretty good.
Sick, eh?
Yeah, sick.
So
that's about the same size as the one I got.
Yeah, I was casting into those snags over there.
Yeah.
And I just started doing a fast switch to get it out.
Yeah.
And then you chase it fully. So we got
That's awesome.
kind of excited.
That's great, dude. Sick. Yeah, let's get a photo. How'd we go this morning?
Not too bad. I got a Bream on lure, which is very nice of me, 35.
Yeah.
And an EP, and then how about you, dude?
Got the EP in the morning on the bent minnow, which I was actually really proud of. But
Who's this?
mate,
Mary, Bryan.
Mary.
All right. Hey, dude, you're on loudspeaker. What's up?
Hey, Brian.
Hello, my dear friend.
Hello. What's
I
up?
have some news for you.
Okay, what?
Oi.
Mate, got a nice fat bream boy on that prod.
Let me see. Where's your where you got a photo of thee?
I sent it to you. It's about 40, 43, 44 centimeters.
Oi.
Oh, no way.
No way.
Oh, I don't know if you can see it.
Oh,
no.
it's right. We'll pull it up later.
Dude, that's massive.
What a beast.
That's the one that got away.
Oh, mate.
That took your line last time.
Mate, it's not been my whole family.
Feed the whole fams.
All right, dude, we're coming back now.
That's awesome,
When
dude.
did you get him? Like 40 minutes ago?
That's just that.
Oh,
Just
all right,
now?
we're coming back now.
Alright, we're coming back. Let's go land base.
Nah, later, see ya. We're here. Dude, what have you got there?
This is a nice big fat bream boy.
What'd you get him on, dude?
Got him on a 2-knot circle hook with a crab.
Circle hook? You must be the only person in Victoria using circle hooks for bream.
That's why he's so fat.
Oh yeah, and what bait did you use?
This is a quarter crab. Caught
Damn.
from Lake Tyers.
Lake Tyers.
I've ever seen.
This is.
How good is that?
This is a nice fish.
It's like a GoPro in its mouth, man. Look at that.
That's awesome. Well done, dude.